In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a room in Character AI and start a conversation between multiple characters. This is a simple feature, but it can be really fun and useful if you want to see how different characters interact with each other around a shared topic. A room lets you bring several characters together in one space so they can respond to the same prompt and create a group-style conversation. To begin, open Character AI in Chrome. Once you're on the platform, look over to the left side menu. In that menu, click the Create button. This is where you'll find the tools for setting up new content, including the option we need for this tutorial. After you click Create, choose Create a Room. This opens the setup area for building a shared conversation space. A room is different from a regular one-on-one chat because it allows multiple characters to participate at the same time, which can make the exchange feel more dynamic and entertaining. Next, add two or more characters to the room. You'll need at least two characters for the room to work as intended, since the goal is to let them interact with each other. When choosing characters, it helps to think about how their personalities might fit together. For example, you might combine characters with similar interests for a smooth discussion, or very different personalities if you want the conversation to be more unpredictable. Once your characters are added, type a scene topic or prompt into the message area. This prompt is what sets the stage for the interaction, so try to make it clear and specific enough to guide the conversation. It can be something simple, like a situation, a theme, or a short scenario. When you're ready, hit send. As soon as you send the prompt, the conversation between the characters will begin. From there, you can sit back and watch how they respond to the setup and to one another. The quality of the interaction often depends on the prompt you give. So if the conversation feels too vague or off track, try adjusting the scene topic and sending a more focused instruction. And that's it. You've successfully created a room in Character AI, added multiple characters, and started a shared conversation between them. It's a quick process, and once you get comfortable with it, you can experiment with different character combinations and prompts to create more interesting results.